Hello, today I will go over the various parts of a search result in the Resource Center. We're going to look at the most recent journal article here. And this brings up an abstract page with the date of the publication, the resource type, it's a journal article, the title of the resource, it's right here, the author is highlighted in blue, keywords related to the journal article here in gray, the software mentioned in the journal article, and the division which the article belongs to, and the publication here. And these items are all clickable. So if you want to look up a resource by author, you'd click the name. If you want to look up something related to these keywords, you can click here, along with the software, division, and publication. The title isn't clickable once you're already on the abstract page. So if you scroll below, you will find a list of all the authors down here by full name. And if you click this link here in red, this will take you to the journal article directly. Here. And again, below, you will find similar resources to the one provided. And on the right here, you can see a contact us form. This should be used to provide any feedback on the article itself. Let's say you wanted to get into touch with perhaps one of the authors or ask them something personally, you can fill out this form here on the right, but you do not need to fill out the form to access the journal article itself. You would just click this red link here. This blue share link also allows you to share the journal article to any of these social platforms. And that is it. In the next video, I will go over how to find webinar slides. Thanks for watching.